Hey y'all, it's your redneck homie Clayton. Dog dick son of a... Awkward. Anyway, what's up? It's your redneck homie Clayton. It's another day. Oh, you know what? I forgot to show y'all my coffee cup last time. Check out this coffee cup, man. If you don't think that's funny, I don't know what the hell is wrong with you. That's goddamn funny right there. Because coffee does make me poop. I'll probably poop right after this. It's pretty good. Anyway, today we're going to try another as seen on TV product. This one's called Fix a Zipper. We want to get a look at the package. Let's see what it says here. Fix any zipper in a flash. Easy to install, removable, and reusable 6-pack, small, medium, large. No tools required. Works on tent suitcases, clothing, jackets, sleep bags, purses, all that. Well, I got an old pair of camo shorts in the other room. I guess I'm going to go get them. We're going to try to put this sucker on there and see what's up with that. Guess we get to open it first. Damn, I always forget the scissors, man. I swear to God. I'm going to get my crap together on this, people, and the scissors are going to be like right next to me, I swear. Let me get over here. There you go. Once again, I'm stuck with the crappy scissors. I don't know what's up with that. And a super hard piece of plastic. Alright. Seriously, I barely put a dent in it. I hate these scissors, man. They're pissing me off. Whoever made these scissors is a dog, man. Alright, just like the wax bag, fix the zipper. Can't get the damn package open with a shitty pair of scissors, so let me go get another pair, and we'll be back. Peace, y'all. Alright, homies, we finally got the Fix-A Zipper open. They got 3 different sizes, so we're going to have to match it up. I guess take your old zipper, if you're trying to get your old zipper off, just pull it all the way to the top, and then just pull it off the top. It comes right off. This is an old pair of shorts I've had. The zipper's been broke for about 2 years. I don't even know why I still got them. Pack rat. Here you go. Get your new zippers. Apparently mine is the smallest one. See if they give us some instructions out here. Select fix a zipper size to fit the job at hand. Position it centrally onto the zipper. Clip unit onto teeth and snap close. Then drag the zipper to open close zipper. Yeah. Sounds good in theory. Okay, so these things snap open. Make a little gator mouth. Then it says put centrally on the zipper. guess on both sides at the same time. Let's try a bigger one. Okay, this thing sucks, man. 20 minutes, nothing. Tried every size. Nothing works. Dog dick son of a bitch. There's no way you're ever clamping this little damn thing right on here like they want you to. If someone's ever used this and it works, please message the comment below, tell somebody, because this thing is ridiculous. So y'all subscribe, y'all like, and y'all come see Redneck Homie Clayton.